Other than the kill switch don't start, doesn't work. You gotta stall it to stop, which is a bit of a pain in the ass, but oh well. Do something. Right, we finally pulled out the my sister's Holly's little 70cc quad. There's a relay buzzing on the back, but it's not actually starting the spinning the motor, spinning the starter. I don't know what's going on there. I've just realised though, this needs a CDI to run. That thing's got an identical fucking CDI I've just plugged in. So, but I don't have any fuel in the bike or any at home, so I'm gonna go run up the road. I'm gonna throw in like £3 in a can and see if we can get this to run, because if I can go out ride on the pitter today, life complete. Pit bike runs, robbed the CDI. I was playing my Holly's quad and I just saw it. I thought, fuck, it's got the same CDI as the fucking pitter. Whipped it off, started threw a bit of fuel in there, literally done nothing but put the fuel line on, give it a bit of shake round, lean it over, bang, like 5th kick or something. So fucking grunty, it's ridiculous. But it ain't got a peg, so I'm knocking up a peg for it, and I'll show you better. So I've took a peg off the Wu Yang, but look at that fucking weld, man. That is shit hot. That ain't going nowhere. I mean, yeah, it's a bit of an agricultural raj up job. But this is just to get me down Davidstow, you know. So it's just gonna weld it onto the side of the peg frame like that, so I've just got something to sit on. Because at the minute, I'll show you what I'm going to. I'll show you what I'm going to stick it on. This is it out of the area, but I'm just going to bang it right up against there. I'm just going to bang it, sit up underneath there, giving it a clean up, because that's the peg bracket that goes all the way across to the other side. It's just been snapped off, so I'm just going to bang it right on there, welder on, and it will sit quite proud. So it's literally just a bodge until I can buy a proper pedal basket for it. It runs like an absolute dream. I'll see if I can get the GoPro on or something. What I'll do is I'll put the GoPro on my helmet, put it on the TV, and then film the TV, because I haven't got a computer to put GoPro videos on. So it's a bit shit, but I'll try and do it for you.